अगर हम यहाँ पर केवल इतना प्रूफ कर दें कि रेंज ऑफ द एफ इज ए सबसेट ऑफ द कोडोमेन, देन वी कैन से दैट, तो हम वी कैन से दैट द फंक्शन इज N2. Now we explain by an example. Let a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is the 1, 8, 27 and 64, and the function such that f A tends to V where y is equal to x की power 3 for all values of x belongs to A. Now it is clear that 64 belongs to V, but it is not the pre-image of any element in the set A, so it is a N2 function. By the mapping it explained by this picture. Here the x belongs to A and y belongs to B, and the x is equals to 1 or 2 or 3 and y equals to 1, 8 and 27, but 64 are not matched. Here the condition of second range is the subset of the codomain. Range is only 1, 8, 27 and codomain is given V. Next type है आपका onto function. If function f such that A tends to B is said to be a onto function if each element of V is the image of the least one element of A. It means the every element of V is the image of any element of the A. It is also called the surjective mapping, or if range of f is equal to codomain, then we can say that the function is onto. Now an example, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and V is the set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14, and the function f such that A tends to V is explained by the relation y is equal to 2x for all values of x belongs to A. Now here it is clear that the every element of the B is the image of any element of the A. By the mapping, the x belongs to A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the y belongs to B are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Every element of the B mapped by the any element of the x. Here we can say that the range is equals to codomain. Now the function is onto function. Next है आपका 1 1 function. A function f such that A tends to B is said to be a 1 1 function if the distinct element in A have the distinct image in V. For example, the function f from real to real V a function such that fx is equal to x, then f is a 1 1 function because and this relation we can show by this condition if x1 is equals to f2 if given, and we show that fx1 is equals to fx2 for all values of x1 x2, then we can say that the function is 1 1. And by the mapping, 1 mapped 1, 2 mapped 2 and 3 mapped only 3 and 4 mapped only 4 and 5 mapped only 5 as so on. It means the every element mapped only the single element is called the 1 1 mapping. Number 4 and last, many one function. A function f from A tends to V is said to be a many one function if more than one element of the A have the same image in V. By this condition we can show that the many one function if x1 not equals to x2 but the image of x1 x2 is equal for all values of x1 x2 belongs to A, then we can say that the function is the many one function. For example, let f is a function from real to real be a function such that fx is equal to x square, then f is a many one function. Here we show that x1 x2 which belongs to real number but not equal. Here x1 is equal to 2 and x2 is equal to minus 2, but square of the 2 and minus 2 is equals to 4. It means the image of the x1 and x2 are equal, then we can say that the function is many one function. Now you do the questions at homework. ये क्वेश्चंस एक्सरसाइज हैं आपके लिए, इसकी पिक्चर मैं आपको सेंड कर दूंगा, आप इनको सॉल्व करेंगे और अपनी नोटबुक में लिखेंगे. If any have query, then share to me. Okay.